Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing you all the motivation and inspiration to try and help kickstart your day. And here is your quote from Milton Berle. Laughter is an instant vacation. There is nothing in the world so irresistibly contagious as laughter and good humour. Laughing is and always will be the best form of therapy you can have, and it heals a lot of hurts for us all. You don't stop laughing because you grow older, you grow older because you stop laughing. Laughing a lot will help put the wrinkles in the right place when you do get to that old age, and you can look back with all those great times.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.